What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get another free crypto on Coinbase. Okay, let's get started. First, get into your account on coinbase.com. If you still don't have one, you can find the link in the description. Sign up, get verified, then you go to the main page, scroll down and find the earn button. So at the top of the list, as you can see, there is a new crypto Ample Fourth government token available to earn. We are going to use the same way I showed you in my first tutorial, so you just have to watch some short videos, take the quiz and pick the right answer. Okay guys, it's time to check the portfolio to see our performance, and as you can see the total value is now more than 29 euro, which is pretty good, meaning that all the stuff we got for free. Guys, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, press the like button and see you in the next video.